Hi, Sarah. How's your day going today?
Hey, it's been alright. How about you?
I need to catch up on some work after lunch.
Yeah, me too. The workload can be overwhelming sometimes.
By the way, I heard we're having a team building event next week.
That's right. I'm looking forward to it.
Are you planning to participate?
Absolutely. It'll be a great chance to bond with colleagues.
I hope it doesn't get postponed like last time.
I know, it was disappointing when that happened.
I'm thinking about organizing a dinner gathering this weekend.
Count me in. Trying new restaurants is always fun.
Awesome. I'll send out invites to everyone.
Speaking of gatherings, did you attend the party last Friday?
No, I couldn't make it. How was it?
It was a blast. We had a great time.
I'll make sure to join the next one.
Sounds like a plan. It's a fantastic way to relax.
I need to wrap up this report before the end of the day.
Don't worry, you still have plenty of time.
I know, but I prefer finishing tasks early.
If you require any assistance or information, feel free to reach out.
Thanks, Sarah. I might take you up on that offer.
Have you met the new team member yet?
Yes, I introduced myself this morning. She's eager to get started.
That's great. Let's make her feel welcome in our team.
I completely agree. New beginnings can be challenging.
Let's invite her for lunch sometime to break the ice.
The manager mentioned a potential promotion for you.
Yeah, it's exciting but also a bit nerve-wracking.
You've got the skills and dedication. You'll do fantastic.
Thanks for your confidence. I'll work hard for it.
I have no doubt that you'll excel in the new role.
I need to print out some documents for the meeting.
The printer in the break room should be functioning well.
I'll give it a try. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Happy to assist. Let me know if any issues arise.
Will do, Sarah. Your support is always appreciated.
Any exciting plans for the weekend?
I'm contemplating a hike on Saturday.
Hiking is a wonderful way to escape and rejuvenate.
It's my method of disconnecting from the city's hustle and bustle.
Well, soak in the fresh air and the beauty of nature. You deserve it.
The project deadline is approaching rapidly.
I agree, but if we cooperate, we can meet it.
Teamwork is essential to our success, no doubt about it.
Let's give it our all and ensure it's a job well done.
That's the spirit. Together, we can conquer any challenge.
I heard there's a new coffee place nearby.
Really? We should check it out together sometime.
Absolutely, I'm always up for trying new coffee spots.
Let's make it a plan for next week.
Sounds good to me. I'll look forward to it.
I've been meaning to improve my time management.
It's a valuable skill. How do you plan to do that?
I'll start by creating a daily to-do list.
That's a good start. It can help you stay organized.
I'll also use a productivity app to track my tasks.
Technology can be quite helpful in that regard.
Have you ever tried one of those apps?
Yes, I use one to keep track of my work assignments.
Which one do you recommend?
I find Todoist to be user-friendly and effective.
I'll give it a try. Thanks for the suggestion.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need any tips.
I'm thinking of redecorating my living room.